know that.
I think I need another cutting board.
That's what I was saying. Somebody coming behind the door. Just be ready. I need something to hold my
Why is your always looking for how hard you can hit somebody with something?
because you gotta know.
I think this one's pretty
Always
cool.
be prepared.
Spoon.
Spoon.
Maybe this? No, that's ugly.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no. Boom, found one. And just another coffee mug just because.
How about black? Yeah, you should get some cute coffee, man.
I'm definitely getting these ones. These are so cute. They're looking lighter than what they actually are on camera.
These ones are really good. Thinking like two. So what about when I go? So 3, 4. You're dead.
It's right. Or the brown. The brown's cute. Look at all this cute stuff. I'm scared it's gonna break, but like for my milk and stuff. And like the plates and cups are the best part. You can't really see it though. Hey y'all, what's up? Today we're going to be packing up my childhood room because I'm moving into my first apartment alone. So my life is a shit show right now. Let me show you what I mean. We got a whole bunch of stuff right here. We got drawers full of clothes. We have clothes on the floor. That's not even mine. That bed isn't even mine. But we have a bunch of boxes right here. And part of this is my fault. One, I waited a really long time to start packing. Even though I knew I was going to be moving 2 months ago. I did something slowly, but I really wanted to show y'all like the process and everything. And also, I just keep buying stuff. Like, I went on multiple shopping sprees at Target, Home Goods, At Home, all different types of stuff. Bath and Body Works. And now it's time to pack everything, and I'm panicking. I think I'm going to start with packing up, like, my winter clothes, because I know I'm definitely not going to use that. And then I'm probably just going to take out a few more, like, items that I could wear for the next, like, 4 days. No, wait, I work today, I work tomorrow. I'm off the next day. Just to get my nails and my eyelashes and my eyebrows done because I'm going on my trip to Puerto Rico, which I'll be taking y'all with me for that like 24-hour transformation type of video. But really quickly, if you watched my last vlog, Ugly Love, I finished that shit in like 2 days. That book by Colleen Hoover is so good, and I just bought November 9th for my trip, like riding on the plane or whatever, so I'll update y'all on how November 9th is, but Ugly Love was the shit. So as y'all can see, this box already has like winter type of stuff in it. So that's really all I'm going to be putting into that box. Just more like sweatshirts and stuff. Because I have slowly over time taking boxes for my job so I can pack. So this is one of the chip boxes we have on our truck delivery days. This is low-key just another box of like winter clothes and like athletic items, but they're like longer sleeve or long pants, so I'm not even gonna worry about those either. I'm just gonna pack them up too.
Ryan Little.
Later on, I'm gonna do a Target haul of like everything I bought from Target for my apartment. But for now, we're just gonna pack it up. I have hella shit from Target. I feel like one of my main issues is I started packing like sporadically when I felt like it or whatever, and so now I don't remember what is in everything, so I have to like undo it, unwrap it, see what it is, and then put it in the right boxes, which is taking me more time, but that's what we have to do. I bought like products in bulk, so I'm gonna probably pack my products, like that's gonna be the last thing I pack, because I really have to think about like what I'm gonna need these next couple of days and what I can pack. And I'm also not finished yet packing for my Puerto Rico trip. So I gotta make sure I get all my products in those little tiny travel size bottles before I pack it away. You know what I mean? It says tired and gay on it. So this is basically like my candle. This is a lot of glass and stuff. So maybe I should put like other delicate stuff in here. Like I wrapped it in everything. Like they're already wrapped, but I don't know what else I should put in there. Should it be like less delicate stuff so that like it could cushion it? Or should it be like delicate stuff so that I know not to be rough? Hopefully I'm not rough or anything, but still. Yeah, I'm gonna put this bathroom rug underneath all the candles so that's cushioned, or maybe open it up like this and then have it cover the top. You see what I'm saying? And that could just be this box, because that's kind of like a bathroom related thing too. Target and spend like $200+ on pillows. Yes, I did. Do I regret a single purchase? No, I do not. I'm about to be comfortable as fuck.
Comfortable as fuck. Best choice.
My bathroom stuff is going to be glass, so I think I'm gonna just do like bedding and bathroom stuff in here, because like the bedding will cushion it. Oh my God. Take a hike. That's a cute mug. I forgot I got this. So I'm back from Walmart and I bought like this pack of, I don't want to show y'all everything, but I did buy this pack of like pot sets. I'm not going to show y'all the box. Actually probably already seen it. But this is like the color scheme of the pot. It's like dark on the inside and then it's like light green on the outside with these gold detailings on it. And I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I bought like gold forks, and I'm going to do, I also bought these like long type of plates to go in my kitchen, and I also bought the cups that match like the mugs or whatever. And so these aren't exactly the same color, but they look really nice together. I'm so excited. Like that's gonna look super cute. And they're like, I have so much green stuff. Like I have a lot more color than what I thought I was going to get, but this is super cute. I forgot that I got this. Use the bubble wrap just to make sure that everything that I put in here is going to be secure, because it's a lot of more like hard glass stuff. This probably won't break, but I'm still going to wrap this anyways. And I have a black one, and I have this. I bought so many cups. Like how many things is one person going to drink? I don't know why I got this random ass book in here. So I got a few kitchen appliances for my parents that I'm just going to be taking. So a rice pot is definitely necessary. As a Caribbean person, you gotta have a rice pot, because what the fuck else you gotta eat other than rice, you know? I have a cutting board. It's like these heavy ones, and I got another heavy one from this place called Tuesday Morning or something. But this one, like, I'm going to use one for my meat and then one for my like vegetables and stuff. I thought it was cute. So come at me. And then I got this cute little kettle, you know, just to heat your water up. I got a blender. It's a small one, but it'll do. The reason why I have so much shit, I have like a mini apartment in here, but I really was slowly buying stuff over the past 2 months just so like I wouldn't have too much on me in an empty apartment when I moved in. You know what I mean? It feels nice when you already have like your apartment kind of set up. So yeah, that's what I wanted to do, but we see how this is going. So when I do it again, we'll see, probably. Low-key, I'm about to put this like little pillow cover thing, what is it, like a sham toss pillow cover or whatever, onto the bottom. It's expensive. progress that we have made. It is quite a bit. There's some boxes behind this one. This one's a clothing box, and it got a lot of my clothing out of my drawer. I made a salad at work before I left. It's a Caesar salad. I just added bacon on there. Ooh, it looks so good. Yes. So I'm just taking a well-deserved break right now because I'm fucking exhausted. I'm gonna just finish eating this and probably just watching YouTube videos. And then I'll take y'all with me for whatever I'm about to do next. But we are going to finish this shit. We are going to finish.
She really hit it off with him. They had a great date. It was perfect. She was like, we had so much energy, she thought this was it. Yes. So on one hand...
Oh, look at how much we accomplished. I know the lighting's really bad just because, you know, those are the supplements. Those 2 baskets aren't even mine. But there's a few miscellaneous sort of things that I need to do. Just like putting extra straggled clothes into boxes, putting some of these other little acrylic things into boxes. But I could just do that on my own. I really do appreciate you guys, especially if you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. There's going to be an entire moving series coming out, so just keep on subscribe, like, comment, keep on staying active, and you'll see more content of mine. I'm moving to a city, so I'll have more exciting like exploration stuff to do, especially before school starts. And I'm going to NSU, by the way, so if you go to NSU, what's up? Hit me up. We could make some moves. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!